certain circumstances call for certain decisions being made, and
I don't know. Are they videoing us? Are they taking pictures?
we're in trouble. Almost on the guy's property.
Yes. I feel like we're getting surrounded here. Not gonna work.
Saying something about the beach. Could be at the beach.
Your tool set?
That's what you. I was like, when did they get left at the beach?
I don't think I would be bringing tools to the beach.
All these leaves. Stuff down in here. Stuff down in there in the way. You kind of hold that stuff about away from me.
We'll try. All this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't pull it too far, because it's just going to get all in my way. I got to try to put the battery down in there. Alright, get down underneath it. There we go.
Fits.
Yep. Like a glove. Now this might be a whole ball game.
That ain't gonna fit.
It ain't gonna fit. So I'm gonna have to redesign that. I got some other bolts at the shop.
You gonna bungee strap it for now?
Well, it can't get out of there.
Okay.
Can't get out of there. Can't do it.
Even if we, jump hills and get up on two wheels.
Yeah, I mean, you turn it upside down, it's gonna fall out, okay?
So no flips today.
No flips.
Is there a car show somewhere today?
Not that I know of.
Wherever we ride, there's a car show.
Because like I said, we've been seeing some other ones as we go past.
I think the weather's just got everybody out.
Yeah, we put on a car show everywhere we ride.
Okay.
Oh, I haven't seen any other cars though. I don't know what she's talking about.
Ten, 12, 7/16. That's what I need. 7/16. That's what I need.
7/16.
Y'all want to try it out for a couple hours?
Nah. But thank you for the offer. Well, that is tempting. Lights and sirens. We don't have that on here. Look at the soldier and
They'll
the
be
flag.
crying y'all be crying wanting air conditioning in a few minutes.
That is true. That's cool though that they have the flag and the soldiers. I like that. Well, that was nice of them to offer.
They'll be calling saying, hey, we want our air
Never driven an ambulance before, ridden an ambulance before, and so have you.
What?
Haven't you been in an ambulance before when you broke your foot?
truck at the house that says ambulance on the front of it, so technically I've driven one.
Well, I guess so. Did it still have the lights working on it?
No, it
And
didn't.
the
have
sirens
lights.
and all that
The
stuff?
siren didn't work.
See, it's just not the same without the lights and the sirens. Is it really an ambulance if it doesn't have that?
Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, so this thing.
So, tell everybody what kind of battery you have and why.
Well, I had a AC Delco in here. I don't know when I got that, but it is done. I ain't gonna say it don't work no more, but it's getting sketchy, and I don't want to be somewhere and have to end up walking. That's what I'm trying to say. Because it won't crank.
Right.
Sometimes we stop in remote areas.
Yes, for potty breaks in the woods.
I wasn't gonna say all that, but
Well, that's the truth, though.
that's usually what it's for. So, certain circumstances call for certain decisions being made, and
Uh-oh.
fine then, you rascal. Alright. Actually gonna leave this other little thing off because I put that on there and I haven't used it yet. So I'm gonna leave that thing off. I gotta move this wire. Since this battery is a little taller than the one that was in it. Everything else is the same. I thought when I went inside I was like, ooh, that's way bigger. I don't think that's the same battery, but that's the one that I showed that I got last for Freebird.
And it's a marine
I don't think that thing's gonna fit.
battery.
Yep. So this one, I found out I got the number off of the old one. Went in there and found one on the rack. We matched it up, and I was like, yeah, the one thing different is a little taller. I can make that work. So I just got to put all this stuff back together.
It's nice of them to let us drive up and underneath
Yeah, I
the
started
porch
pulling
part.
here to begin with, and I'm like, I don't want to mind it. But when I walked in, he was standing there checking out my car, so I was like, yeah, yeah, let me slide. He's like, you getting a lot of air? I said, yeah, it's kind of like one of them air fryers. We're getting plenty of air, but it's hot.
Rotisserie.
Well,
Well, yeah, it is like air fried because it's hot air.
you got hot air blowing on you. Better than no air.
There's a breeze. Feels pretty good. And there's a big temperature difference in the shade.
Yeah, that is true.
That's all I'm gonna.
Megan, darling, please.
Keep on singing.
I'll change the words of the song if you don't watch it.
I know, you're good at that.
Yep, come on.
I think it should be instead of Layla, pay up.
Huh?
Pay up.
What?
Pay
Oh.
up.
Hey, I don't know what rhymes with that though.
I don't know. I don't know anything that would replace Layla.
I was fixing to say that thing made a little spark like there's something drawn on it. But there
Uh,
is a little light over there that's on for the cigarette lighter.
Oh yeah.
And that may be, I may end up having to put a kill switch like I have on Freebird.
Yep. So it won't drain it.
If it sits too long. But this is a whole lot bigger battery cell wise. This is a 1,000 cranking amp battery here, where the other one was probably that was a 670 on it. So this thing's gonna crank up like a.
Y'all have a good day.
You too. Y'all be safe. Be safe. Let me go in here and get my, how many ever dollars it is, 4 feet. $15, 4 feet.
15.
I can put this back in the.
Yep. In case we're stranded.
Yeah. Some tools are better than no tools.